Hello everyone, welcome back to another math class. This is Nafasi speaking. Here is the question. The product of two consecutive even number is 360 degree, or not degree, 360. Find the numbers. Numbers is two numbers. So the order of even number, you can find it by this way. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 everything, and the even number is in this order is 2 and 4. So the between the two even number, the gap is on and on, that is 2. Also for odd number, so one number is 2, another number is 4, the gap is 2. So two consecutive even number, one is I'm writing, one is x and another one is of course x plus 2. So according to the question, what is that? The product, that means the multiplication between them, x times x plus 2 equal, what is the value? 360. So x square plus 2x minus 360. I move 360 degree from the right side to the left side, and it is a quadratic equation. Let factorize it to solve the equation.